Good morning, students. Today we'll be doing chapter 4. It's in page number 14, and the name of the chapter is Have Courage. Okay, so children, courage. What do you mean by the word courage? Courage means the ability to do something without getting scared or frightened. Okay, or in Hindi we call it Sahas. Okay, so let's start. Hui was a baby duck. He lived on a big farm near the hill. Hui had many brothers. Okay, so Hui was a baby duck. He was a duckling. Okay, so he lived on a big farm which was near the hill with his family. Okay, and Hui had many brothers. As you can see here, okay, so the next para. Hui was smart and kind, but he was very timid. Timid means darpok, coward. Okay, he was even scared of water. His mother would often say from the pond, "Come, Hui, you are a duck. Come and wait." Hui was smart and kind, duckling. Okay, but he was coward too. Okay, he was scared of water. Okay, so whenever his mother used to go in the pond, she used to call Hui to wait, okay, in the pond. But Hui often used to stay far away from the pond. Expera, now I will not enter the pond. No, 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 Hui would say and run away. Okay, now whenever his mother used to call him to wade in the pond, he used to say no, no, no. Okay, and he used to run away from the pond. Okay, when his brothers made fun of him, he felt bad. Okay, so whenever his brother used to tease him, he felt bad. Okay, so next lines. One day, Uncle Tom came to the farm. He told Hui, "It is very easy for us to wade in water. Look at your feet. They are like paddles of a boat. Just jump into the water. Come, I will show you how." So one day, his Uncle Tom came to the farm just to meet him. Okay, so he told Hui that it is very easy for the ducks to wade in the water or to swim in the water, because you know what, because the feet of the ducks are webbed. Okay, that's make them easy to swim. Okay, so he said, "Let's come, I will show you. You just dive, I will show you how to do it, how to swim, okay, or how to wade in the water." Okay, next para. Hui thought over it. He decided to give a try it. He followed Uncle Tom into the water. He saw that he was not drowning. "Yippee! I can wade in the water," shouted Hui. His brothers clapped. Now, after hearing his uncle, he thought of giving a try. He was thinking, no, let's do it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so he followed his uncle into the water. Okay, he saw that he was not drowning. Okay, after when he get into inside the pond, he saw that he is not drowning. So he became very happy and he shouted, "Yippee! I'm not drowning." Okay, so his brothers, they too became so happy and they clapped. Okay, last line. "Brave Hui," said everybody. Now finally Hui went into water and everybody clapped and said him, "Brave Hui." Okay.